Congratulations on completing the Mastering SAP ERP Fundamentals Quick Start for Beginners Course Preview Edition. Throughout this preview, you've explored foundational topics essential to understanding SAP ERP, from its core purpose and rich history to comfortably navigating its intuitive user interface. You've also gained practical hands-on experience in critical materials management, SAP tasks, such as creating material and vendor records, managing procurement processes, posting accurate goods receipts, verifying invoices, and executing automated vendor payments. By engaging with these interactive demonstrations and leveraging real-world scenarios inspired by global companies like Pepsi, you've experienced firsthand how SAP ERP integrates procurement, inventory management, and financial processes. This integration not only drives operational efficiency, transparency, and financial accuracy, but also strategically positions you to support your organization's daily operations and future growth effectively. Now, reflect on your learning experience. Are you ready to harness SAP's robust capabilities to streamline your workflows, enhance procurement accuracy, and confidently manage essential business transactions? With the foundational insights and practical skills you've acquired here, you're well equipped to continue exploring the powerful potential SAP ERP offers. This preview was thoughtfully designed to provide you with a clear overview of the comprehensive and practical content available in the full course, helping you determine if this instructional approach aligns with your professional responsibilities, career goals, and learning style before taking your next step. Your feedback is invaluable. Please consider sharing your thoughts or rating this course preview. Your insights not only help refine the learning experience, but also support fellow learners on their professional journeys. I encourage you to maintain this learning momentum. Dive deeper, practice regularly, and continue building the SAP expertise that employers value and businesses rely upon. Keep learning, keep practicing, and remember, your mastery of SAP ERP starts right here. Great job, and I look forward to supporting your continued success.